the dust. Four corners planted low, big grippy tires biting where the loose ones slip and fold. I kiss the stone and climb it slow is how I win. Body stretched to the limit, still I keep it in. One axle, one choice, stay calm, stay true. The ledge gets mean, I just lean through. I crawl over every wall. I crawl, and I don't fall. Rock by rock, I take my place. Slow power, hard-earned grace. Between and through, mud on the frame, rain in my eyes. Still I know what to do. Every scrape made me sharper, every pause made me read. Now I hear the mountain and I answer with need. One axle, one choice, stay calm, stay true. The ledge gets me and I just lean through. I crawl over every wall. I crawl, and I don't fall. Rock by rock, I take my place. Slow power, hard-earned grace. Like a curse, I shift, I adapt, I hold, I rise. I trust my grip, I trust my